Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Divit Tech. Today we are going to review the tampering glass for iPhone Max that I ordered from Amazon. The brand is called LK. So let's go ahead and review the tampering glass. I have an iPhone 6 Plus, I have an 8 Plus and a Max. Uh, as you can see, just putting them together side by side, and here I have the tempering glass. This one is for iPhone XS Max and this one is for the 6 Plus. They are pretty much the same when it comes to the quality, but the shape of each one is different, and as you can read on the top, they come with the label on the top, which this one says 6 Plus and 6S Plus, and it has 3 screen guards, and this one also has 3 protectors. This one cost me $7.99 for a pack of 3. That's the Canadian dollars. And as you can see on my screen, this is the way it comes in the pack. So let's go ahead and try it. So this packing comes with an installer which is of the size of your phone. So you put the phone in this case and then you put the tempering glass on it. This pack, if you read in the instruction, it also has a website called www.lk-case.com/pages/video, where you can go watch the video on how to install the screen protector. The video is very user friendly and I loved it. It comes with stickers which are there for cleaning your screen. The pack, we got the screen guard and we got the wipes, the wet wipe and the dry wipe. So let's start cleaning the screen and then installing the tempering glass on it. So this pack is very easy and simple to use. So probably I got 3 of them. I've used 2 already. Let's use the last one. So you take the wet wipe. This is dipped in alcohol. So these are those alcohol pads. So you can simply clean the screen. It's very easy and simple to install. I would also like to clean the back as well for no reason. Why not use the remaining alcohol, right? Let's not waste alcohol. I'm totally against it. And then I have the dry wipe, so let's go ahead and dry out the alcohol. In drinkers world, I would call it the hangover effect, taking out the alcohol out of your body. Detox. So very simple. You just clean it with the alcohol pad, you clean it with the dry wipe, and then you have these stickers that you use to clear the dust particles. So I just simply use this one round sticker, and all I do is hold it like this on the finger and I go on scratching everything out. And that's how you clean the screen. And there's the screen guard. So you put the case on this screen and so let's go ahead and install it. So this comes with the plastic case, sticker on it. You simply place the screen guard. The beauty about this is you don't have to worry about alignment. The case does it for you, and all you do is you just press it hard and let the frame do the rest for you, and just squeeze the screen guard a little bit from the edges and you're done. You take off the plastic and give it a final touch to make sure that your screen is protected. So this is the iPhone Max with the screen guard on it, and as you can see, this looks pretty neat and clean. That's my quick video on installing the screen guard. The brand is called LK Premium Tempering Glass. I genuinely recommend this. I have been using it for a very long time and I'm very happy with this. So I'm going to put the link down below from Amazon, and it's not very costly. It's $7.99 for 3 screen guards. Though they are not the best, I haven't done a drop test with this, which I don't want to do. But from basic scratches, these screen guards save your screen very well. So that's my review on the screen guard, and let me know your comments. Give me the like if you like this video. Hit the bell icon to subscribe for future videos, and share your comments. Thank you and cheers.